Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you permissions, exceptions, settings, warn you when websites try to install add-ons in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been in my taskbar. Go to this and go to the three bar icons, enter the settings options that we can work with the privacy and security. Scrolling below that we will get the things. So what are the things here? So primarily we will click this. So obviously we have to marking one you when websites try to install add-ons, so exception. Then we will set the things and you can solve all our necessary or relevant site which we really want to do working site. So we write Facebook as because it is a popular website, and obviously you have to press the allow site. So see here has come the HTTP as well as the HTTPS. So this is the secure hypertext. This S means secure. Then we will save this change. See, then check again. See, now we want to remove or we want to opt this thing, so we can remove one by one in this way, or we can remove all. So we will remove all, then save this change. Then we have to unmarking this thing that one you when website, and we have to unmarking. See, in this way we can do the all things about install add on. So in this way we can work this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.